Welcome to Civampems mobile application version 3.0. Candidates identity verification, attendance, malpractice, and post-examinations management systems. Civampems, a timely approach to a more effective administration of examination day processes. Civampems seeks to address and record real-time examinations day processes. These include capturing and recording events occurrences as it happens, ability to report them in timely manner, availing user accesses to a reliable data and post-examination reports. The system works using the following components: 1. Mobile handheld terminal. 2. RFID smart cards. What's new? The mobile handheld device can read all WAEC candidates' cards irrespective of the state's, centers, and school's location. This process is known as globalization. Mobile handheld device can call out candidates' detail and information in a situation where a candidate who registered in a particular examination center in a state cannot provide or has not obtained his or her electronic smart card. This process is known as state localization. The mobile handheld terminal has the capacity of reading, querying, and confirming center-specific information regarding candidates' data, including subjects enrolled for. The ability to capture invigilators' information, activities at the custodian and examination center, which are securely recorded and stored. Step 1. The workflow process starts and ends at the home screen by using the stylus click on the supervisor button to get started. Step 2. The supervisor will be required to enter the 8 digits supervisor's ID issued to them at the point of registration. Please use the keypad on the device to enter required 8 digits number. Reconfirm the 8 digits number in the text column. Click Enter button to proceed. Step 3. After successfully entering supervisor's ID, the supervisor will be required to confirm their present location. Custodian button to confirm activities at the custodian office. Exam center button to confirm activities at the exam centers. Back button to return to the home screen. Step 4. Custodian. The supervisor is to collect examination materials for a particular subject at the custodian office. Click on the custodian button. Step 5. Click on the drop-down button to select the applicable subject and click OK. Step 5A. The screen displays the selected subject for confirmation and then click OK to confirm. Note: if a wrong subject is selected, please click on back button to choose the right subject. Step 5B. A message to confirm that a successful submission will appear on the screen. Click OK button to return to the home screen. Scenarios at the examination centers. Step 1. The workflow process starts and ends at the home screen by using the stylus click on the supervisor button to get started. Step 2. The supervisor will be required to enter the 8 digits supervisor's ID issued to them at the point of registration. Please use the keypad on the device to enter required 8 digits number. Reconfirm the 8 digits number in the text column. Click Enter button to proceed. Step 3. Exam Center. To confirm activity at the examination center, such as scanning of candidate's card for identity verification and attendance, recording of examinations malpractice, and ability to enter candidate's number, should the card not be available to display candidate's information. Click on the Exam Center to start the conduct of an examination. Step 4. Choose paper code that is to be written. Click on the drop-down button to select the applicable paper. Click OK button. Step 4A. The screen displays the selected paper for confirmation. Click OK to confirm selection. Step 4B. Note: if a wrong subject is selected, please click on Back button to choose the right paper or click OK to confirm selection. Step 4C. A message to confirm that a successful submission will appear on the screen. Click OK button to gain access to the activity page. Exam Center page screen. This screen begins the conduct of an examination at the examination center. The supervisor can scan card, enter examination number manually when a card cannot be produced. To commence exam by continue attendance and verifying identity, click on Scan Card button. Scan card. To verify candidate's identity, confirm malpractice, record malpractice with a view to generating post-examination reports. The supervisor must scan the candidate's smart card with the following steps. Use the stylus to touch the scan button. Place the smart card on the RFID reader at the back of the handheld device. Ensure to place the card appropriately on the RFID sensor located at the back of the handheld device. It usually takes between 5 to 7 seconds to scan a card. A successful scan will reveal the candidate's surname, first name, middle name, DOB, gender, exam number, exam state, and exam center. It also displays a candidate photo and additional 5 buttons. Button A. Subject. Button B. Attendance. Button C. Personal. Button D. Malpractice. Button E. Back. Buttons explanation. Personal button. Personal button reveals the biodata and personal details of the candidate. It is the page that is revealed at every successful scan. Subject button. Clicking on Subject button reveals the subjects that the candidate has registered. Attendance. This is the button used in marking attendance of every candidate during examination. For every scan, attendance must be confirmed by clicking the Attendance button. Malpractice button. This is the button used in recording malpractice cases against any candidate caught during examination. Back button. To go back to previous screen. Check the subjects the candidate registered. To check subject the candidate registered for, click on Subject button. The screen reveals the subjects the candidate has registered. From the subject screen, you can return to the Personal Details screen by clicking on the Personal button. Click on Back button to return to the previous screen. To mark attendance of candidate during examination. To mark a candidate's attendance after identity verification of the candidate, click on Attendance button. A confirmation message will be displayed on the screen once the candidate has been successfully marked for attendance. Click OK button to get back to the home screen. After attendance has been marked for a candidate and it has become necessary to record malpractice against the candidate, please start the process again from Exam Center homepage screen. To record malpractice against a candidate. To record malpractice against a candidate, click Malpractice button to proceed. Click on the drop-down button to select the appropriate malpractice committed by the candidate. Click OK to select the malpractice. Click OK button to confirm the malpractice. Reconfirm the malpractice by clicking OK button. Note: please, you can go back to reselect the appropriate malpractice when you noticed that you selected the wrong malpractice code using the drop-down menu to scroll down. A message to confirm a successful submission will appear on the screen. Press OK button to return to home screen. No card situation. In a situation where a candidate who registered has completed his or her registration for a particular exams, cannot provide or has not obtained his or her electronic smart card, the supervisor or invigilator can confirm or verify the candidate identity using or clicking with the stylus Enter Exam Number button. In a situation where a candidate who registered in a particular examination center in a state cannot provide or has not obtained his or her electronic smart card, the supervisor or invigilator can confirm that the candidate is registered in the center by using or touching with the stylus Enter Exam Number button. The supervisor will be required to enter and confirm the 10-digit examination number for the candidate. Click OK button to reveal the candidate's details. This will enable the supervisor to verify the candidate's identity, record attendance, and enter malpractice against the candidates where applicable. This screen shows successful entry and confirmation of candidate's examination number without a smart card as verified by the supervisor. The device displays candidate's information, including subjects registered, as though the card were scanned. Walk-in candidate. This feature enables the examination supervisor to add records of newly and irregular walk-in candidates to the center entry record. To add a newly registered candidate to the center entry record, please click Enter Exam Number button on the screen using the stylus. The supervisor will be required to enter and confirm the 10-digit examination number for the new candidate. Click Enter button to proceed to the next stage. Click Add Record button to add the candidate's examination number to the center entry records. Click on Discard to ignore adding the candidate's examination number to the center entry records. A message to confirm a successful submission of record added will appear on the screen.